artifact puzzle. Then only wooden artifact puzzle is they have their own hidden objects based on their pictures. The next one po natin, Ma'am Sir, this one. This one is the smallest pieces of puzzle na makikita po natin sa loob ng museum. Then this smallest pieces of puzzle is considered po siya as the smallest pieces of puzzle in a whole world. Then this puzzle is 500 pieces. Then Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle in a 28 minutes.
Galing, 28 minutes.
Then Ma'am Georgina defeated the Brazil with 238 collections of puzzle. Then Ma'am Georgina have 1,028 collections of puzzle. Then Ma'am Georgina is nakapasok po siya sa Guinness World Record because of largest collection of jigsaw puzzle ang category from Guinness World Record. Ma'am Georgina have 1,028 collections of puzzle. Why nakapasok po siya kay Guinness World Record?
Ang dami.
Then Ma'am Georgina received the award November 29, 2012. Then after 2 years, 2014, Ma'am Georgina passed away at the age of 63 because of death is heart attack, Ma'am Sir. Nakikita po natin yung portrait ni Ma'am Georgina at this side. Then next one po natin, Ma'am Sir, this one. This one is the Retablo de Santa Columba, 18,000 pieces. Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle in a 300 hours. Is equivalent to 15 days. Las Cilanderas is tinatawag po namin siyang hardest puzzle. Why? Because of dark color. Then, why hardest puzzle, Ma'am Sir? Because of every pieces of puzzle is different cuts. Then, isa pa po sa dahilan kung bakit po siya tinatawag na hardest puzzle because of same color. Once the same color ang isang puzzle, mahirap po siya i-assemble. Why? Because of different cuts. Ma'am Sir, thank you for listening. You can go around and see all the puzzles. Then after you're at the first floor, we're going to second floor to see the 3 biggest puzzle in the souvenir shop because of yung 18,000 pieces po namin is maliit po yan. Ma'am Sir, hayaan ko lang po kayo mag-ikot. Then after you're at the first floor, we're going to second floor to see the 3 biggest puzzle in the souvenir shop. Then meron din po kami tinatawag na customized picture puzzle. Lifetime souvenir po siya. If you want your picture or your family picture is gagawin po siyang puzzle. Meron din po kami sa second floor. Makukuha din po siya on this day, 5 to 10 minutes. Then you are allowed to take the pictures and videos inside and outside the museum. Then if you have questions na lang po, my name is Miquel.
So, yun guys. Narinig natin yung explanation ng tour guide natin. Ito pala ay isang puzzle. Kita nyo guys na binubuo inasimbol ni Ma'am Georgina. So pag unang tingin nyo guys, para siyang painting at saka pictures. Pero hindi pala siya basta-basta painting at pictures kasi ito pala ay isang puzzle. Ito guys. At hindi to galing sa Pilipinas guys, galing pa ito ng iba't ibang bansa tulad ng sa Spain. Ito yung naggawa nito guys, artist Velasquez. Ang ginagawa ni Ma'am Georgina ay binibili itong mga puzzle. Gaya nito guys. So ito guys ay magandang puzzle kung saan makikita dito si Adan at saka si Eva. Ito guys puzzle. Ito yung pinakamalaking puzzle museum dito guys sa Pilipinas na nag-iisa lamang guys. So kung gusto nyo ng ganitong guys, museum, nandito lang sa Asisan, Tagaytay, ang location ng Puzzle Mansion guys. Ito guys parang painting, pero pag tiningnan nyo ng malapitan, ito siya ay puzzle. Yun guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga koleksyon ni Ma'am Georgina. Ito guys Yan lahat guys. Pati na rin yung mga maliliit na mga akala natin pagtingnan sa malayo is painting at saka pictures na naka-frame lamang. Pero yan lahat guys is puzzle. Puzzle ito guys. Ito guys ang ganda ng paggagawa. Akala mo painting lang, pero puzzle pala. So andito pa guys. Pati ito guys, akala mo pictures lang. Galing ito ng China.
The official certificate of Ma'am Georgina from Guinness World Records.
Ah, wow, ito yung certificate ni Ma'am Georgina. So yan guys, yung certificate from Guinness World Records guys. The largest collection of jigsaw puzzle was achieved by Georgina Jill Lacuna in Tagaytay City noong November 29, 2019. So wow, amazing. So ito guys, isa pa to guys, ball puzzle. Ito ay parang ordinaryong bola lang o globe, pero pag tingnan mo sa malapitan, puzzle siya guys. Yan, ang ganda. Dito nyo to makikita sa iba guys, dito nyo lang ito makikita sa Puzzle Museum o Puzzle Mansion ng Tagaytay. Located ito guys sa Barangay Asisan, Tagaytay City. So dami guys, daming koleksyon ni Ma'am Georgina na mga puzzle. So hindi masasayang yung entrance fee nyo guys. Once again guys, 100 ang entrance fee dito, bata at saka matanda. Isa ito sa mga pasyalan guys na pag pumupunta kayo sa Tagaytay. Yung iba, ang pinupuntahan lang ng Tagaytay is yung view ng Mount Taal. Pero mayroon palang puzzle mansion dito. So samahan nyo kami guys maglibot dito para makita din nyo yung mga magagandang puzzle collection ni Ma'am Georgina. Yung pinakamalaking puzzle guys ay nandun daw sa second floor. So bago tayo pumunta doon, lilibutin muna natin tong sa first floor. Ito guys, oh, yung The Last Supper guys, made from Japan guys, maker origin Japan. Number of pieces 1,000 pieces guys. Leonardo da Vinci yung artist guys. Wow, sikat ito si Leonardo. Ito guys, parang ito yung pinakaunang puzzle siguro ni Ma'am Georgina kasi faded na yun. Ito pa guys, alam mo simple lang guys, from spin 2,000 pieces na puzzle guys. Yun, ang talino ni Ma'am Georgina kasi nakabuo siya ng mga ganitong mga puzzle. Ito, yun pa guys, puzzle yan lahat guys. Dito pa guys, from USA pa rin guys, 2,000 pieces na puzzle Coca-Cola. Ito pa guys, dito nyo lang to makikita guys. At least kapag pupunta kayo ng Tagaytay guys, at kapag makita nyo itong video na to, isa ito sa mga gusto nyo nang puntahan kasi magaganda kasi ang nandito eh. Collection kasi ito, bihira lang to sa ating bansa guys. Yun, yan pa guys. Ito guys, malaki. The Garden of Earthly Delights. 10,000 pieces from Spain pa rin guys. Ito guys. At narito pa guys, yung first puzzle guys. Ito yung the first puzzle ni Ma'am Georgina. Si Mickey Mouse. Yun. Ito yung first puzzle niya. Ganda.
Explain ko sa inyo.
Sige po.
Then this one is the first puzzle of Ma'am Georgina. The first puzzle of Ma'am Georgina is 5,000 pieces. Then 70 hours Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle. Then this puzzle is Ma'am Georgina gift to his son when coming second birthday. Si Sir Gino po yan. Then si Ma'am Georgina po is nag-start po siya sa malalaking puzzle. This one is the first puzzle, the 5,000 pieces, the Mickey Mouse Team Racing. Then this one naman po is the fourth puzzle, the Garden of Earthly Delights, 10,000 pieces. Then Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle in a 300 hours, is equivalent to 15 days. The
15
Garden of
days,
Earthly Delights is the fourth puzzle of Ma'am Georgina.
Wow. Ang galing ni Ma'am Georgina. Ilang taon si Ma'am Georgina nagsimula
35 years old po.
nagsimula siya mag-assemble ng puzzle?
Yes po.
35. Hanggang
63.
63. So kahit 63 na siya, nag-assemble pa rin siya ng
Yes
puzzle.
po, when she passed away po.
Sige
Sige po
po.
tayo, sir. Paika.
Dito. So yung anak niya, sir, si Sir Gino, marunong din mag-assemble ng
Yes po,
puzzle.
nag-assemble po sila ng puzzle. Nag-assemble po sila ng puzzle na family relatives of Ma'am Georgina.
So yung may latest sila na na-assemble na puzzle na nandito.
Ang latest po na puzzle namin here is the first biggest puzzle. Kaso lang po is super tagal na po niya.
So yun guys. Oh, ano to sir? Puzzle pa din ito?
Yes po, the 3D
Wow.
cathedrals puzzle po like that one.
Hands off tayo guys.
3D cathedral puzzle, then this one is our 3D landmarks.
Wow. So guys, makikita nyo ang ganda ng mga cathedrals. Yun. Once na nabuo na to ni Ma'am Georgina, hindi na niya ina-disassemble.
Hindi na po.
So isang buwan lang to. Pag nabili niya, pag na-assemble, naka-display na agad.
Yes.
Wow. Dito po. Teka, ito rin.
That one naman po is the 3D wooden engines. Then this one is the 3D wooden cycles.
So ito, puzzle pa rin to.
Yes po, wooden artifact puzzle po yan.
Wow.
Wooden puzzle po, wooden puzzle.
Wooden puzzle pa rin. Ito. So, ang ganda guys. Dito.
Like meron din po kami tinatawag na pyramid puzzles.
Saan po?
Like that one.
Dito. Pyramid puzzle. Galing to sa...
Okay, ma'am, dito po tayo.
So, ito pa guys.
This one naman po is our famous paintings.
Wow.
The famous paintings of Vincent Van Gogh. Then, Rudy. Painting of Monet. Meron po tayo iba't ibang paintings by different artists. Then this one is our animal shapes painting. Animal shapes puzzles.
Wow. Ganda. Ito yung mga cartoons, Justice League. Wow. Dito next. 6,000 pieces from Spain.
6,000 pieces. Yan naman po yung third puzzle of Ma'am Georgina. Ang ikatlong puzzle of Ma'am Georgina, 6,000 pieces, then 100 hours. Ma'am
100
Georgina
hours.
assembled the puzzle.
100 hours, parang ilang, ano yan? Parang 4 na araw?
Yes po. 4 days.
4 days. Ito. Turkey.
Istanbul of Turkey, the Matterhorn of Switzerland, the wedding of Psyche and Cupid, the Sistine Church,
Hmm.
the Bowl of Flowers. Then this one naman po ay the 5 puzzle.
Five
The fifth
puzzle.
puzzle of Ma'am Georgina. 4,000 pieces. Then Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle in a 100 hours.
Wow. Next, ito. So, ilang taon na to nag-ooperate, sir? Binuksan sa publiko.
Since 2012 until now po siya.
Mag-11 years na, no?
Yes po. Then this one naman po is the Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is 1,500 pieces. Then Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle in a 14 hours.
Wow, Mona Lisa. From Spain, no? Pang ilan to na ano, sir? Pang number 14.
Po. Pang 14 puzzle po yan Ma'am Georgina.
14. Ito yung Mona Lisa.
Then this one naman po is our 3D wooden dinosaurs, the 3D wooden furniture set, then the 3D steam locomotive.
Mm. Wow.
Then this one is our the 3D wooden like planes.
Mm. Wow. Ito,
Then Ma'am and Sir, this one is Ma'am Georgina. Ma'am Georgina at the age of 55 years old. Their family picture, then Ma'am Georgina when she was young.
ito si Ma'am Georgina, guys. Wow. Family picture na naging isang puzzle.
Yes po. Customized puzzle po yan, Ma'am Sir.
Customized puzzle. Sila din yung gumawa.
Yes po.
Oh, guys, oh.
Bata po siya.
Ito si Ma'am Georgina, yung bata pa.
Yes po, when she was young. Wala po.
Mm.
Then this one naman po is our 4D cityscape puzzles.
Mm. Wow. Anong city ito? City of Tokyo.
City of Tokyo, City of Paris, City of New York, the City of Las Vegas, the City of London, the City of Sydney, the City of Berlin, the City of Chicago, then the City of Hong Kong.
So, ito yung mapa, guys, na naging ginawang puzzle.
Then this one po yung nasa baba is the 3D wooden structure, then the 3D tower bridge.
Mm. Yan.
Then this one po yung nasa baba is the 3D ocean carrier, then the 3D ocean, the 3D wooden sailboat. This one is the 3D wooden ocean carrier.
Ito, ang ganda. So, nalibot na natin, no, lahat, no? So, sa next, second floor na tayo. Ito, portrait of a princess. So, ito rin. Second floor na tayo, guys.
This one is our first biggest puzzle, the wildlife.
Ito ang
Wildlife
first.
is 33,600 pieces. Then the family relatives of Ma'am Georgina assembled this puzzle in a 1 year and 8 months.
1 year and 8 months?
Yes po.
Tagal. ito,
Then this one naman po is our third biggest puzzle, 24,000 pieces. Assemble this puzzle is 6 months.
6 months.
Then 70% Ma'am Regina assembled the puzzle, then 30% is the family or relatives. Why? Because of Ma'am Georgina before pass away, she assembling the third biggest puzzle.